Hello, children. In the last class, we learnt about the legislature arm of the Union government. In today's class, we will learn about the Union executive. The executive arm of the Union government consists of the President, the Vice President, Prime Minister, and the Council of Ministers. The President is the head of the Union executive. Every decision of the government is taken in the name of the President. Every new law that is made must have his or her signature. However, the real work of running the country is done by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. Let us say that the President is like a grandparent. His or her advice is respected by everyone, but he or she does not do the actual work. Then who does the actual work? The Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers. As you can see in the picture, who is our current President? Yes, Sri Ramnath Kovind. And who is our current Prime Minister? Yes, Sri Narendra Modi. So with his Council of Minister, he does the actual work. Did you know that the President and the Vice President are elected for a term of 5 years? Who is our Vice President? Find out the name yourself and tell me after watching this video. The President is elected by the elected members of the Parliament and those of the legislative assemblies of the states and the union territories of Delhi and Puducherry. The Vice President is elected by the Parliament. Here you can see the name of the Vice President, Shri Venkaiah Naidu. Now, let's talk about the Council of Ministers. After the general elections, the party or a group of like-minded parties that wins majority forms the government. Their leader is appointed the Prime Minister by the President. The Prime Minister selects the Council of Ministers from among the members of Parliament of his or her party. They can be from either house of the Parliament. You know that there are two houses of the Parliament. We learnt this in part 1 video. Yes, they are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And one more thing, students. In the absence of the President, the Vice President acts as the President. So this is the extra information which I am giving you. I hope today's topic is clear to you. Thank you.